We're back at the sawmill this morning and getting low on wood. We brought Blue. There's nobody over here. So we're gonna get another load. And the guy that owns the sawmill, he has one up in the mountains. And he don't come down here too often. And he told Bill, just come over and get what you want and we'll settle up later. So isn't that nice? So we can come back and forth and get wood anytime we want. Don't have to wait for him to come down from the mountains. So that's pretty good. And there's our pile of wood. So we got some work to do this morning. Blue's up here helping.
Blue helping?
Yeah. Kind of like picking up pixie sticks. We're gonna come back, try to get more and more, and get a good bunch of it for next winter. And we'd like to try to get it before it gets too warm, because I think that is a good rattlesnake habitat right there. I know the snakes like to get into wood, so there's probably a mess of them in it. So we'd like to do it in cooler weather. Wind's picking up, it's getting a little cold. Pieces like that are good for overnight. We can't pull it out from underneath there, so.
I'll get it later. That's good stepping stone there.
Okay. There's another heavy one. It's too hard for us to get in the truck, so he's gonna cut some off. A tumbleweed. What happens, they dry up and they got full of seed, so the wind blows them and they just go all over the place dropping their seed. That's how tumbleweeds get spread by the wind. We're going to leave a little gap right through here and then pick up the sawed wood and throw it in that gap so it won't roll off the truck. We put wood across here to keep the wood from hitting our glass. boards. He's gonna cut them in half. Get them in the truck. Now we're putting the chunks up there. That was too heavy for us to pick up. And there's some there he's gonna get. Well, we're just about done. And then Bill's gonna strap it down. I got on this side of the truck to warm up. It's cold. And that wind blowing. And this wood is $15 a truckload. And it should be a cord of wood.
It could be a little bit more.
Think it'd be more than a cord? Well, as soon as he gets that strap all tied down, we're going to take off. Blue, are you ready to go? He's looking sideways at. Hey, Blue, are you ready to go? Hey, here comes Daddy.
You ready?
He's ready.
You ready to go home? Good boy.
Yeah, hi.
Got my chainsaw. That's all I had out.
Bill's cooking us a hamburger outside in the cold. Are you about done yet?
Yeah, just about.
It's cold out here.
Yeah, we're back to the way I like the horses.
Yeah.
You learned some horses.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it smells good. I can't wait to eat. Oh boy, Sonny's saying, I want to eat that too. So I like cookouts. Makes me want to take a deep breath. Okay. Bye. I'm going back in where it's warm.
Okay.